In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and navigate the keyboard shortcut settings in Krita. If you're new to Krita, it's a powerful free digital painting app, and one of the best ways to speed up your workflow is by understanding where to manage your keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts let you trigger tools and actions instantly, which saves time and keeps you focused on your art instead of hunting through menus. Start by launching Krita on your computer. Give it a moment to open your workspace and load your brushes and panels. If this is your first time opening it in a while, it's a good idea to wait for any background processes to finish so everything runs smoothly. Make sure you're on the main canvas view and that you can see the top menu bar. That's where we'll head next. Now look to the top of the screen and open the Settings menu. From there, choose Configure Krita. This opens a Preferences window where all the major customization options live. On the left side of that window, find and click Keyboard Shortcuts. That's the dedicated panel for viewing and managing all the shortcut assignments across tools, menus, and plugins. If you're on a different operating system, the exact menu label may appear slightly differently, but you're looking for the same Configure Krita area, then the Keyboard Shortcuts section inside it. Once you're in the Keyboard Shortcuts panel, you'll see categories on the left and actions on the right. There's a search field that helps you quickly find the command you care about, like brush tools, layers, selections, or transforms. This is especially helpful if you have a large setup or you're migrating from another program and want to align a few familiar keys. You'll also notice where conflicts are flagged if two actions try to use the same keys, which helps you avoid accidental overlaps. This is a great moment to think about your workflow. If you switch tools frequently, grouping related actions under similar keys can make your muscle memory more consistent. If you're left-handed, consider keys that are comfortable around your dominant side. And if you ever experiment, it's wise to note your favorite layout so you can restore it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully reached the keyboard shortcut settings in Krita, which is the central place to review and tailor how you work. From here, you can explore the categories, use the search to find specific actions, and refine your setup to match your creative process. With this panel at your fingertips, you're set to paint faster, stay organized, and keep your focus on the canvas.